Did you know that 92% of people never reach their goals? But here's the kicker. It's not because they aren't working hard enough. What sets the other 8% apart isn't talent, luck, or intelligence. It's something much simpler, something anyone can master. Consistency. Welcome back to Smart Money Vids, where we explore strategies for success and financial freedom. Today, we're diving into why consistency could be the most important ingredient in your success story. Whether you're building a business, a personal skill, or just trying to hit your goals, consistency is the secret weapon that often gets overlooked. Think about it. Everyone loves the idea of overnight success, but true success happens in the small, repeated actions we take every single day. That's what creates lasting change. Let me share a story. A friend of mine started an online business, working day in and day out. But for 6 months, nothing. No sales, no attention. It would have been easy to give up, but she didn't. Instead, she stayed consistent. Every day, she worked on her content, improved her website, and reached out to her audience. Fast forward to today, and she's making 6 figures annually. What changed? It wasn't a sudden stroke of genius. It wasn't luck. It was consistency. Every small step she took, every little improvement added up to something much bigger over time. That's the power of consistency. Showing up every day, even when you don't see immediate results. We've all felt that frustration of working hard without getting the instant payoff. But success doesn't happen in big, flashy leaps. It's built in those small, often unnoticed moments. The truth is, every time you take a step forward, you're laying another brick in the foundation of your success. So, why is consistency the secret to achieving success? Let's break it down into 3 key reasons. First, consistency builds accountability, not just to others, but to yourself. Imagine having a gym partner. If you know someone is counting on you, you're far more likely to show up. That same principle applies to everything in life. By committing to consistent action, you create a system of self-accountability. But there's a hidden trick: external accountability. Telling someone about your goals, sharing your progress with them, or even having them check in on you can significantly increase your chances of staying on track. Studies show that having an accountability partner can increase your success rate by 95%. So, don't keep your goals to yourself. Find someone to share the journey with. But even with accountability, we all hit walls. You know those days when you just don't feel like doing the work? That's resistance. Every successful person has faced it, but here's the difference. They push through it. They understand that resistance isn't a sign to stop. It's actually a sign of growth. Resistance could be self-doubt, fear, or just exhaustion. But every time you show up, even on the tough days, you build resilience. And resilience is what gives you the strength to face even bigger challenges down the line. The discomfort of resistance is often a sign that you're on the edge of a breakthrough. When you start to feel like giving up, remember, resistance is a sign that you're growing. Pushing through that resistance is what separates those who succeed from those who fall short. Consistency isn't just about showing up. It's about transforming how you approach your goals. Think of your actions like planting seeds. You might not see the results right away, but beneath the surface, those seeds are taking root. One day, with enough care and attention, they bloom. It's easy to get caught up in wanting instant results, but the truth is that real success comes from small, daily actions. Motivation is fleeting, but consistency sticks around when motivation fades. There's a concept called the compound effect. It's the idea that small, smart choices, repeated over time, lead to extraordinary results. This is why people who are consistent often seem like they're lucky. They're not. It's the consistent work that eventually compounds into massive results. So how can you start applying consistency in your life? Here's a 3-step strategy to ensure you stick to it. Start small and build up. Choose one goal and break it into bite-sized daily tasks. If your goal is to write a book, start by writing 200 words a day. If you want to improve your fitness, commit to just 10 minutes a day of exercise. Starting small makes it easier to stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. Track your progress. Use a habit tracker or journal to log your actions. There's something powerful about seeing your progress build over time. A missed day here or there won't derail you. But if you consistently log your actions, it becomes harder to skip out on your habits. Focus on the process, not just the results. The key to long-term success is to focus on the daily actions, not the end goal. The process is what you can control. The results will follow naturally. Keep your eyes on the actions you need to take each day, and trust that over time, the results will come. But let's be real. We all face plateaus, those times when it feels like we're not making progress. Here's the thing, plateaus aren't a sign of failure. In fact, they're a natural part of growth. It's during these times that you're leveling up, adjusting to a new level of performance. When you hit a plateau, don't give up. Instead, take a step back and find your why. Why did you start this journey in the first place? What's driving you? Having a strong reason for your actions can help push you through even the toughest moments. Sometimes, all it takes is a small tweak, a change in your approach, a new perspective to reignite your progress. If you find yourself stuck, try making a slight adjustment to your routine, and you may find that breakthrough you've been waiting for. Consistency may seem simple, but it's the key to building momentum, creating accountability, and overcoming resistance. The secret is to commit to the process, even when it gets tough. It's easy to get caught up in waiting for results, but remember, the real magic happens in the daily actions. As the saying goes, success isn't about doing the extraordinary. It's about doing the ordinary things extraordinarily well. Stay committed to the process, and the results will follow. My challenge to you: commit to just one small action every day for the next 30 days. Whether it's reading 10 pages, exercising for 10 minutes, or working on a project, watch how consistency transforms your results. Check the description for resources that will help you stay consistent. And let me know in the comments what action you're committing to. There are some great tools that can help you stay on track. So take a moment to explore the links below. To sum it up, consistency builds momentum, creates accountability, and helps you overcome challenges. It may seem simple, but it's the foundation of success.